show how completely walled up the sky is, and it's like a nice rainbow around the sun. It's just completely thick. Until you get over here. It starts to thin out that way. Ooh, here's a hawk flying around. And then the rest of it is just thick. Wow. Back to the sun. Right, there's my daily update for now. Hope you're having a good day.